Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth headphone setting in our Realme phone. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you pair your Bluetooth headphone network. Friends, you have guys any Bluetooth headphones. Guys like that guys I have got this Piton company headphone, but guys I want to pair with my Realme phone guys, and guys I want to use this headphone sound. So guys how can I use these headphones? So friend, first of all guys we will on our guys phone setting to pair our Bluetooth headphone to our Realme phones. And guys you can see Bluetooth setting, friends, tap here, and guys, first of all guys we will on our Bluetooth headphones. So I will click on guys this power off button, then guys my headphone will on, and guys I will on now Bluetooth. Then guys we will refresh it, and we will have to wait here for 5 and 6 seconds guys. Then guys you can see guys your headphone name, so you will have to click on your headphone name. Then guys you can see this pairing request. So guys allow access to connects and calls now. So you want to pair, yes we want to pair, so guys we will pair it. And guys you want to check your guys headphone battery, so guys you can check from here. 70% battery guys I have. So guys now you can use guys your Bluetooth headphone while watching movies, listening song, watching cartoon, serial, etc. like that guys. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.